BSE has cautioned investors against Sprite Agro. This is after NDTV Profits Charu reported on September 10th that despite SEBI security, Sprite Agro plans a bonus issue and a 100% dividend payout. Charu is joining in for more on that story. Charu, first of all, huge impact of your story. Tell us what SEBI is doing and what that story was.
So, first of all, on June 10th, NDTV Profit reported that SEBI had conducted pump and dump related raids on several entities in several locations. Sprite Agro was the Ahmedabad-based entity that was under the SEBI scanner because of a lot of suspicious stock related activities. Also in pump and dump related cases, but also in relation to rights issue, bonus issue, stock splits and much more. Now, the regulator was on its way to release an interim order and had prepared directions. However, they sort of got stuck in the regulatory hurdles. But before the orders or the directions could come out, the company announced on the exchanges that it is going to go forward with a bonus issue of 10:1. We must keep in mind that it is a penny stock that is valued at less than ₹2 currently, and it is also talking about considering dividend payout of 100%. This is when NDTV Profit again reported on September 10th that despite SEBI scrutiny, the company is considering going ahead with a bonus issue and a dividend payout. Now, after this, for the first time, we are seeing a regulatory action of sorts where, the Bombay Stock Exchange in its capacity as the frontline regulator has come out with something that informs the investors about the risks associated with this listed entity and that the investors should be cautioned against trading in the script, especially based on the online recommendations from Telegram, WhatsApp and other channels.